Welcome students in our general science class. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson number 9, water. So all have to request to open your my second semester book, page number 124. Lesson number 9, water. WATER, water. Water means pani. Water is one of the food already you learned in previous semester, in last semester, in food chapter. It is the part of food. Without water and without food, we cannot live. All living things need water. Means we cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water to live. How we are essential water for living, same way plant and animals also need water. Without water, they can die. We need water for various purposes. We are using this water for various purposes. What is their uses? Which is the main source of water? How we are saving water? How it is precious for us? And which water is safe for drinking? These all things we are going to learn in this lesson. So, dear students, open your page number 124. Here, the first paragraph is all living things need water. We drink water. First use of water, the main purpose of water is we drink water. This is the main use. Animals and birds drink water too. Plants need water to grow. See, this child is drinking water. This is human things. And here, a lion drinking water. Lion is an animal. And how we are essential water, same way, animals also need water. And here, the girl is watering the plant. The plants for growing, they need water. And all living things need water. These are living things. See here, human beings, animals, and plant. Water for other purposes. We are drinking water same way we are using this water for various purposes in our daily life. We use water for bathing. In the morning, after brushing, you are taking bath. And without water, we cannot do the bath. So, bathing, washing. See here, the lady is washing that cloth, and this child is bathing. This woman is washing clothes. Third one is cleaning utensils. The lady is cleaning utensils. Utensils यानी बर्तन, भांडे. For cooking, without water, we cannot cook red vegetables. You are eating daily dal and rice. And see here, without water, rice we cannot make. So the main use is cooking. We need water for cooking. Then cooling in summer season. Now next season is summer season, and the climate will be too hot, and that time we are owning AC and cooler. For that cooler, what we are putting? Water. Yeah. So for cooling process, we need water. पुटिंग आउट फायर, आग जब लगती है तो उसको बुझाने के लिए दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग वाटर, है ना. वाटर का यूज हमने यहाँ पे देखा. वी यूज वाटर फॉर बाथिंग, वॉशिंग, क्लीनिंग, कुकिंग, कूलिंग एंड पुटिंग आउट फायर. The other purpose of water is, see here, the farmer is also using water to growing crop, है ना. खेती करने वाला किसान जो है वो वाटर से वो क्रॉप उगाता है. नाउ दिस वाटर, फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर गेटिंग दैट वाटर, द सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर. हमें ये पानी पीने के लिए कहाँ से मिलता है? दैट इज मीन बाय सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. हम लोगों को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? नाउ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर इज रेन. द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर इज रेन. हमें पानी सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ से मिलता है? रेन. इट इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. रेन जब आता है ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन, इफ यू सॉ द रिवर, द पॉन्ड एंड ए लैक, they are filling full of with water. But during summer season, the water which is present in pond, lake and river, they all are dry and very less quantity of water is present in summer season. But in rainy season, they are fill ups water in rainy season. See here, the main source of water is rain. The rain water fills the river. रिवर में पानी कहाँ से आता है? रेन से आता है. लेक में रेन से, पॉन्ड रेन से, है ना? मीन्स द रेन वाटर फिल्स द रिवर, लेक्स एंड ponds. The rain water also goes deep underground. है ना? It goes deep underground. And how we are getting that underground water? Through wells and hand pumps. Through wells and hand pump. In cities, we get water through pipes and tap. In our house, how we are getting water? Through pipes and taps. But we are getting underground water through wells and hand pumps. आपके पास में बोरिंग होगा, है ना? तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. हम लोग बोरिंग के सहारे हम वो पानी हमें मिलता है. मीन्स what you learn here, we get water from rain, river, lake and pond, and underground water we are getting through wells and hand pumps. Now see here, the picture is given. The river, the lake and pond. Lake is bigger than pond, है ना? लेक जो होता है वो बड़ा रहता है और पॉन्ड जो रहता है वो छोटा रहता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ड्रिंक क्लीन वाटर. Always we should drink clean water, and clean water help us to keep our body strong. Always drink clean water. See here the picture. Dirty water can make us fall ill. Stomach problem we are suffering when we are drinking dirty water. It is good to drink boiled and filter water. Which water is good for our health? Boiled and filtered water, and it should be covered with clean plate, and we should always keep drinking water covered, है ना? In which pot you are keeping that water, that pot should be clean, है ना? If you are drinking dirty water, that dirty water makes us ill, fall ill. And which water is good for our health? Boiled and filtered. See here with the red ink it is given. Which water is good for health? Boiled and filtered water is good for our health. Now this water is very precious. See, on our earth 79%, 75% water bodies are present, and only few area like 25% it is a land area. Means more water, less land on earth, and that's why it is very precious. The water which we are drinking, that water we are getting from rain, river, lake and pond. But see, just now I said 75% water bodies are present, but that water bodies are all with salty water. Oceans and seas, you know, and sea water is not good for us because it is salty water. Many minerals are present in that water, it is too much hard for us and it is salty. So that water which present in ocean and seas, that water is not safe for drinking. So very few water is present in river, pond and lake. So that's why it is very precious for us. So you have to take care of it. Do not waste it. Now, what to do for it? The next topic is save water. Water is precious. Do not waste it. The first point is always close the tap after use. See here, the tap is here. When you are get up and you are brushing, that time many students are keeping the tap on. But when you are using, after using, you should close the tap. Never leave tap open while brushing teeth. When you are washing your hand, that time also always you have to close it. Never waste water while bathing. Hmm? Never waste bath. Otherwise, what you are doing? You are wasting. You are playing. Is in summer season only you are doing this more. Mister means wasting water you are doing in summer season because the climate is hot. That's why you are enjoying shower bathing. And that time, be care, children. Never waste water while bathing. And here you learn about water and its various uses, sources of water and how to save it, which water is safe for us. Now, the point what you learn, living things cannot live without water. We need water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, cooking, cooling, and putting out fire. Rain is the main source of water. We get water through rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, hand pumps, and taps. We should drink clean water. Water is precious. We must not waste it. Now, more to know what you learn, water is more than land on earth. We can see, touch, and feel the water. See, just now I said 79% water bodies are present and only 25% water land area is on earth. है ना? So, here you come. I completed lesson number 9. In next video, I will solve the worksheet. Till that time, dear students, do reading practice. Every time you have to read the lesson after teaching. Now your homework is to read the lesson twice time. Thank you.